Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Chatbase with Shopify in 2026. Whether you want to provide instant customer support, answer product questions, or increase sales, adding your Chatbase chatbot to Shopify is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then select the AI agent you want to add to your Shopify store. Next, go to the *connect ** or embed * section and copy the JavaScript embed code for your chatbot. Yeah, you'll need this code in the next step. Now, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to *online store *, then themes *. Click the ** customize ** or edit code ** option depending on your Shopify theme and open the custom code section. Paste the Chatbase embed code into the appropriate area, save your changes, and publish the update. This allows the chatbot to appear on your storefront. After that, visit your Shopify store and refresh the page. Test the chatbot by asking a few questions to make sure it's responding correctly and displaying as expected, and that's it. You've successfully connected Chatbase with Shopify. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.